Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a great hair product, I would recommend the Cremo pomade. This is their styling cream. It's the Palo Santo. It's very bold, aromatic scent to it. It is bright cardamom and it has a medium hold. So this is great because you can continue to style your hair throughout the day if it gets a little messed up. And it has a medium shine. It gives a natural shape to your hair and it smells really good. I also like the fact that it comes in this size, which is perfect. You can throw this in your bag. I really like to use this on damp hair. I feel like it goes better, but you can also work it in on dry hair as well, and you will have a firmer hold than you would if you were using it on damp hair. But it really works. It works great. I finish it with a comb and we all love it. Even when I'm curling my hair at the ends, if I want more of a tousled look, then I will go ahead and put some of this cream in my hands and rub it in my curls, and it really leaves a nice textured look to your hairs. But that's just my point of view.